Hello, good morning all. Today in this video we are going to discuss regarding how to add notebook and pages in Odoo version 17. So in the previous video we have shown you how to add one-to-many field in Odoo. So we have added the one-to-many field like this, but we can add a concept of notebook and pages. Like if you jump into the sales order, here you can see it's coming like a notebook pages. I have first page like order lines, second page other info, and third page customer signature. So let's see how we can make similar notebook and pages inside the appointment form view. So if I jump back to PyCharm, here I have appointment views.xml where I have added the one-to-many field. So what I'm going to do is that I need to move this field inside a notebook. So what you have to do, simply it's easy, just you have to add a tag called notebook and close it. Inside that you can add pages. Inside notebook I can add pages. Give a name for the notebook page. I'll give the name as appointment line or lines. You can give any name. Then I have to give a string. I'll give like lines. Then I can close that page. So this is how I can define a notebook and page in Odoo. Then what I'll do, I'll simply copy this field definition and I'll put it inside the notebook page, and I'll correct the indentation. So what I have done is simply added a new tag called notebook. I have closed it, added one page called lines. Then inside that I have moved the one-to-many field definition. So there is no need to have one-to-many field. You can add the normal field also. Now I'll just restart and I'll upgrade the module and let's see the difference. So I'll come back to apps menu, and from here I'll upgrade the OM hospital module. So you can see the module has been upgraded. Now if I come back to appointments and if I open any of the record, here you can see we have got a notebook called lines. Previously it was coming like this. Now you can see the UI is much better. We have a notebook and the only page at the moment is lines. So if I need, I can add more pages. So I can add another page tag here. I'll name it as other info for now. Other info. You can give a name which will be easy to inherit later on. Then you can give a string called other info. And for now, I'll keep empty. So right now I don't have some extra fields to add, but if you have some fields, you can directly add it like this. Like you can specify the field name and you can add. So let's, for example, I'll move this not field from the top. I'll move to here inside the page. So I'll restart. No need to restart, only the XML changes is there. So what I have done is I have added a new field, new page, and this notes field is moved to that page. So let's upgrade and see the change. So from here I'll upgrade the application. So the module is upgraded. Now if I refresh the page, you can see a new page is added, other info, and here I have the not field and it's not coming with the string. So the case of the missing string is group. I have to add the group tag, and inside the group tag I'll move this field, that is not field. Then the label also will be appearing. So let me upgrade once again. The module is getting upgraded, and if I jump back to appointments, here you can see other info tab is coming with not field and its label. So this is how we can add notebook and pages in Odoo. So I hope this is small video and the things are clear for you. If you have any doubts, feel free to let us know directly under the comment section, and if the video is helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel and share the videos with your Odoo friends. So that's it for the day. Have a nice day. Thank you.